Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction, no? So, we are still on a reaction series sa pag-react sa album ni Philip. Again, that's Seven Sins. And we're actually on our seventh track, no? That's Gluttony. And first of all, gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm sorry guys kung medyo hindi tayo nakapag-upload nakaraan, no? Kasi medyo busy. And at the same time, medyo nagkasakit ang inyong lingkod. Actually, hanggang ngayon miss-out pa rin ako, no? So, but yeah, I mean, medyo okay naman na. So, pwede na mag-react. Well, dahil nga doon, no? Kung napansin nyo, sa title nitong video, nilagay ko lang Philip Seven Sins Reaction. Hindi ko nilagay yung title, di ba? Ng kanta mismo, dahil para makabawi sa inyo. We're actually going to react to the last 3 of the songs. Yes! So sa mga nag-aakala dyan or may hinihintay na ibang kanta doon sa album, which is hindi lang na ito sa title, kaya hindi nila pinanood, men. Oh, ano itong nabilipad? Sorry sa inyo, no, kung hindi nyo mapapanood agad to. But we're going to react to the last 3 songs on the album. Malaglag pa yung cellphone ko. So that's again Gluttony. The other one is, just give me 1 second here. So unahin natin yung Gluttony, Slot, and Ache. You know, marami silang nagsasabi na ihuli natin yung Ache. So ihuli natin siya, no? But yeah, ano bang hinihintay natin, no? Without further ado, man, let's get it. Gluttony, no? Fit player 2, right? Yeah, player 2. Come on, man.
Can I give it all it? I would love the pain, blocking your thoughts solid. Your life is my canvas paint, blaming yourself non me. Now you get addicted, can I get out of you stuck in the shade? Diving eternally bottomless pit. You can never get away from this love. Hey. You can never get away from this love. No, that you will never know what's enough. The pain that you feel, 'cause you're falling right into that door.
Hey.
Adrenaline pumping inside of your core. You're tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself on the road. You feel on top, but you always been running alone.
Okay, no. So, correct me if I'm wrong, first, pagkakaintindi ko is tungkol siya sa addiction, right? Gluttony is katakawan, right? I mean, ang gluttony kasi is sobrang lapit niya sa greed, no? Kasi ang greed is parang gusto mo lahat eh. Pero ang gluttony parang gusto mo lahat kainin, ganyan. You know, right? Well, at the same time, I mean, siguro most applicable yung gluttony as intake, no? Unlike greed na pwede mo siyang gamitin as, you know, sa food, sa item, or sa gamit, no? But yeah, I mean, pagkakaintindi ko dito is tungkol sa addiction, like, of course, drugs, alcoholic liquor. So yun, no? Balik natin yung sa umpisa.
Can I give it all it? I would love the pain, blocking your thoughts solid. Your life is my canvas paint, blaming yourself non me. Now you get addicted, can I get out of you stuck in the shade? Diving eternally bottomless pit. You can never get away from this love. You can never.
So yan, sa pinakauna dyan sa You Can Never Get Away From This Love. Medyo ano siya, medyo at first medyo ano siya, confusing, no? Kasi parang yung parang nalaglag ka nga sa bottomless pit, no? Yung sabi niya na you are in too deep on this shit. Tapos bigla sabi niya, you can never get away from this love. So parang parang pag first time siyang pinainggan, parang, wait. Is this about love? Or is it about, like, drugs? Right? Pero pwede rin kasing i-interpret as, you can never get away from this love. Like, love. Alam mo yun, yung parang, like, sa British, di ba? Hey, mate. Hey, love. Di ba ganun yung tawag? Ba't kasi yung tono ko? Hey. I mean, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko, like, call sign, something like that, or, yeah. I mean, also, you can say that you can never get away from this love. Pagmamahal mo, doon sa addiction mo. You know, pwede rin ganun.
Get away from this love. Know that you will never know what's enough.
Know that you will never know what's enough. Diba? Kasi parang, di mo alam kung kailan ka titigil. Or, you don't know when is the right time na you can see that this is enough. Diba? Kasi, pataas ng pataas yun eh. Usually, like, yung dosage ng mga bagay is pataas ng pataas. Patagal na ginagamit mo siya, no? Mas tumataas yung dosage mo doon. So, mas kailangan mo ng mas marami. So, it will never be enough talaga, no? Yan. Yeah.
The pain that you feel, get you falling right into that
Ay, wala to. Ay.
adrenaline pumping inside
Fucking
your
ito.
You're tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself on the road. You feel on top, but you always been running alone.
Ayan. So, ito yung line na nag-confirm sa ana. sa addiction, no? Kasi ayun na talaga nagtatalo yung utak ko tungkol ba sa love to or addiction. But yeah, you feel on top, but you're always running on low, di ba? Magandang contrast yun, no? Top, low. Pero again, you feel on top kasi parang you're high, right? Akala mo, ikaw si Jollibee, no? Bida ka. No, bida-bida ka. Parang ikaw ang main character, no? Na sa'yo tumatakbo lahat kasi you are fucking high. But at the same time, you always running on low. Kasi, again, you'll never know when it's the right time that it's enough, you know? Na titigil ka na sa pag-intake or pag-inom, right? Laging kulang, di ba? Laging gusto mo pa. Kahit ang dami mo nang na-intake, kahit sobra-sobra na, kulang pa rin kasi gusto mo pa, no? Galing na, running on low, di ba? Nauubusan ka. Ayun.
That's a demon, that's a devil, yeah.
Hey!
Can't go missing out with mine. Yeah, call my day, dance with mine. Cause
I'ma rock you up, 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 rock.
Galit na galit, no? Pero, I mean, yeah, so parang, dito sa part na to, sabi niya that I'm the devil, ba? Come, I dare you dance with me, because I'ma fuck you up, right? I dare you to dance with me. Like, subukan mo ako, diba? Kadalasan naman yung ginagawang metaphor, napakababaw na ginagamit sa kahit sa mga palabas, diba? Come, dance with me, something like that. Pero ayun na nga, I'ma fuck you up, which is real. You know what? Itong kanta to is medyo malapit sa akin, no? I mean, so far, gusto ko yung vibe na binibigay niya lyrically, no? Yung story na pinapaint niya sa utak ko. I mean, siguro, musically, I mean, hindi siya kasing ganda ng dalawang paborito ang kanta. Yung Lust and yung Greed. Pero, lyrically, pinakamalapit sa itong kanta to, no? Kasi dagdaan ako sa ganyang sabihin natin to, chapter ng buhay ko, no? So, medyo malapit sa akin, no?
dance with mine. Cause
I'ma rock you up, 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 rock you
liquor poison trees, no? Like liquor, alak, poison. I mean, marami kasing pwedeng gawing double entendre sa poison. Like, I mean, liquor is technically a poison, no? Kaya mo siya sinusuka kasi nararamdaman ng katawan mo na you're getting poison. At the same time, like, illegal drugs, di ba? Parang sobrang ka, it is a poison. And also trees, di ba? Laging ginagamit na term yung trees sa weed or Mary Jane, right? So, tama yung ano.
Liquor, money, poison trees, all of the things is keeping me free. No, I'm a fiend, but I got knees. I'm coming down, I'm on my knees. I need a hand, come rescue me. Take me away, far to the seas. Out of my mind, out of my reach.
Not doing a thing on this done.
So, I got a bean, like, I got a peel. Question ko lang, no? Nagdagdaan ba talaga si Ken sa ganito? No, comment down below. I would love to read about that, no? I mean, kasi pwedeng ini-interpret lang ito as sa kilala niya or sa pagkakaintindi niya sa ganong klaseng pamumuhay, no? Pero yeah, I mean, binigyan niya ng magandang kung hindi man niya naranasan yung ganun, ini-interpret lang niya as, you know, as nakikita niya sa ibang tao or sa mga kakilala niya, you know, kasi music is an art, no? Hindi naman kailangan lahat ng kinakanta nila is naramdaman nila, di ba? Or naranasan nila, no? It's an art, no? But yeah, kung hindi man siya nakaranas ng ganun, napakaganda ng pagka-interpret niya, no?
Somebody better go. Thinking around out of love. Out of the poison to pour on his thoughts. I'm just a man and I know that I'm blind. I need something to fill up the void of my heart.
You can never get away from this love.
Usually, ganun talaga nangyayari, no? Sometimes, you want to just fill up the void, no? Na meron sa loob mo. I mean, usual gateway drug is marijuana, no? Naikuha natin yan sa, I mean, pagkabata pa lang tayo, right? Like that. Pero, most of the time, I mean, hindi naman lahat, no? Iba talaga, like, straight up addict lang talaga, no? Straight up. Pero may iba kasi na, bago sila napunta sa ganung state is, you know, they are depressed or nasa hindi sila magandang sitwasyon and lugar, no? Ay kailangan nila ng something na makakapagpuno ng parang kulang sa buhay nila or makapagpalimot sa kanila, no? So, minsan, doon nagkaano yun. So, talagang sinabi niya dito.
You can never get away from this love. No, no, you will never know what's enough.
Ow.
The pain that you feel, 'cause you're falling right into that door.
Hey,
Feel
hey.
the adrenaline pumping inside of your core. You're tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself on the road. You feel on top, but you've always been running
Running on
alone.
low. Ganda ng linya nun.
Feelings that are so some kind of real.
Hey.
Need a remedy for what I feel. This life got me feeling so weak. Thought that I was strong, but I was weak. Shadows in the backseat, driving down the front seat, visions on the heartbeat. But the
Hey.
liquor kept me coming. I don't need to die just to go beyond the sky to the deep.
나라봐도 나서가 여고백나 아쿠아르가 그 sunshine 그마이세 발라비디아 완나섭다 무너져봐 디나와가 I don't play
Hey.
I can never get away from this love I can never get away from this love
Hey.
Know that I will never know what's enough
Now,
I need a drink, another drink. Now I'm in a fantasy. I took a beat, now I can see what is in front of me. You're tripping, you're falling, you're losing yourself on the road. You feel on top, but you've always been running alone.
nice. Alright, well again, that's Gluttony, no? Philip Player 2, nabanggit ko naman na. Actually, lahat ng thought ko doon, napakaganda-ganda, no? Somewhat, like, lyrical and deep. Not actually so detailed, but, napagbigay siya ng mga strong points, no? Na dahilan ng addiction. Nagustuhan ko yun, no? Gusto kasi malapit sa akin yun, no? Sa ganitong vibe na binigay nila, mas gusto ko pa rin yung like Foes or Rat, technically, no? Pero napakagandang kanta pa rin, no? Napakagandang kanta. Kung sa meaning lang ng kanta, mas malapit sa akin or mas nakarelate ako, no? But we have our 8th track on our album, that's Slot, no? I'm excited, no? Di ako makapaniwala na sobrang lapit na natin matapos, pero let's fucking go, guys. Bibigyan ako nito ng old school vibe, no? Like year 2004, 2005. Like panahon na usong-uso yung mga banda, no? Okay.
Yeah, in the camera raw, it's all yo, bricks you on a car. Ignore if it's not about you, cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall, fall, the memories recall. No, if it's not about you, cause it's not about you.
Yeah, you know that I don't lie. Looking
Nakita niyo yun, no? Akala mo dalawang tao yung kumaante. Like yung sa hook na yun, biglang parang medyo mas manipis yung boses niya sa hook, tapos biglang lain ng boses, no? Parang dalawang tao yung kumakanta lang. Malagya. Ulitin nga natin yun. Gusto ko yung vibe nito. Like, old, like,
Yeah, in the camera
go.
raw.
Rock or
Yo,
punk.
bricks you on a car. Ignore if it's not about you, cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall, fall, the memories recall. No, if it's not about you, cause it's not about you.
Yeah, you know that I don't lie. Look into my eyes, I don't want us to die. Just wanna be by your side. You can take all my time is my life. My level coming sign, tell me will you take my life this time?
Feeling you.
Ano sabi niya doon?
Into my eyes, I don't want us to die. Just wanna be by your side. You can take all my time is my life. My level coming sign, tell me will you take my life this
Okay. So, nilaro niya yung time, no, tsaka life na word. Nang paulit-ulit, sabi nga niya, I want to, like, you can take all my time is life, no? So, napakaganda yun pa lang, napakaganda na you can take my time, no? Parang sabi, my life is my time. So, my life is yours as well. And tell me, will you take my life this time? Yun na nga, explain ko na kanina kasi my life is my time, no? Okay.
Look into my
Ganda yun.
eyes, I don't want us to die. Just wanna be by your side. You can take all my time is my life. My level coming sign, tell me will you take my life this time?
Feeling you. I'm feeling like I'm dead. What to do? If you don't wanna stay, I wanna go with you. I know.
Alam mo, no? Don't tell me, no, na nahihilig din nagkaroon ng emo face, no? Si Philip, no? Kasi itong lyrics na to, pasok pang emo, no? Pang emo na kanta. Yung storytelling, yung vibe na binibigay ng music, yung mga, alam mo yun, na if I'm not going to be with you, I'm going to die, no? Yung mga ganon na dark, pero at the same time cheesy na mga lyrics. Man, that's fucking emo shit, no?
Photos on the wall, far, the memories recall. Nah, if it's
Not
not
about
about you,
Cause it's not about
you.
Yeah, you know that I don't lie. Look into my eyes, I don't want us to die. Just wanna be by your side. You can take all my time. My time is my life. My level coming sign. Tell me, will you take my life this time?
If feeling you, I'm feeling like I'm dead. What to do? If you don't wanna stay, I wanna go with you. I know, yeah.
I really tried hard, you know. I stopped looking back at you for a minute.
Alam mo, pati yung the way siya mag-enunciate or pag-pronounce ng mga words, no, naging pang-emo type na yun, men, tangina. Imposibleng walang emo face to si Philip, like, I still, ano ba yun, yung parang, ganun yung pagka-bigkas, parang like, Fallout Boys, yung mga ganun, tapos, like, My Chem, diba? Mga ganun, no? Tayo na nagkaroon ako ng nostalgia, no? Ito siya sabi ko. Kasi, ganun klaseng music yung pinapakinggan ko. I mean, more on hip-hop na ngayon, no? Pero, naalala ko yung pagkabata ko.
If you don't wanna stay, I wanna go with you. I know, yeah.
Napahinggan niyo yung pronunciation,
I really tried hard, you know. I stopped looking back at you for a minute.
I stopped looking at you for a minute. Diba? Parang, yun na nga, yung blowish mag-pronounce, no? I mean, I know, may iba sa inyo na di makakaintindi, no? Kaya lang kung di kayo dumaan sa face na yun. Kung ano yung sinasabi ko ngayon, no? Pero, sa mga nagdaan sa face na yun, and, naintindihan yung sinasabi ko, men, isang fist bump dyan. Yan.
And what to do? If you don't wanna stay, I wanna go with you. I know, yeah.
I really tried hard, you know. I stopped looking back at you for a minute.
minute.
I lost track, put me back up on my lady. Take me back to the start, we'll repeat it.
Yeah, in my camera raw. It's all yo, wish you wanna call. Ignore if it's not about you. Cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall.
Wow.
The memories recall.
No,
If it's not about you. Cause it's not about you.
Damn, boy. This is a fucking bop, no? I mean, bigla akong ginanahan. Partida, may sakit ako, ha? May sakit ako ngayon, guys. What the fuck? Lumalabas yung inner child. I mean, teenager na ako nung time na yon, no? Pero, god damn, no? Nakuha niya yung vibe, no? Pero yeah, I mean, bago tayo magkalimutan, no? Baka makalimutan ko sabihin, kaya slot, di ba? Usually slot is parang katamaran, right? Tamad kang gawin yung mga bagay. Minsan kahit kayang-kaya mo nang abutin or kayang-kaya mo nang gawin, pinagpapabukas mo pa. Yan, a habit, right? Slot. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, yung pagkakaintindi ko, slot, right? Tamad? Yeah, tamad. So, ang relation niya sa kantang to is, yun na nga, no? If it's not about you, cause it's not about you. So, parang ayun na nga, dahil yung parang gusto niya yung babae lang na yun, no? Kung hindi yung babae na yun, handa na akong mamatay, no? So, every time na may nag-aaya sa kanya, may tumatawag o parang ganon, is ayaw niya, no? Ayaw niyang gumalaw, ayaw niyang gusto niya kasi yun lang, di ba? Ayaw niyang gumawa ng kahit ano, kasama sila, kasama to, kasi gusto niya yun lang. I mean, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko, I mean, comment down below kung paano yung pagkakaintindi nyo sa kanta and yung relation ng slot. I mean, slot, S-L-O-T-H. Yeah. Pero yun yung pagkakaintindi ko, no? So, parang ayaw niya nang gawin kahit ano, kasi gusto niya kung gagawin niya yun kasama to, yung taong to.
Yeah, in my camera it's all yo, bitch, you wanna call, ignore,
Car,
it's
diba?
not about
Bitch, they wanna call, ignore. If it's not about you, cause it's not about you, diba? I think tama yung pagkakaintindi ko doon, pero I mean, yeah. Gusto ko marinig yung thoughts nyo. I mean, nag-enjoy ko actually yung mga comment nyo, no? Lalo na yung insight nyo sa kanta mismo, kung paano nyo siya, in-interpret. Napakagandang makikita ko yung point of view nyo sa kanta. It's fucking good.
you, cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall, the memories we call,
No, cause it's not about you.
cause it's not about you.
Yeah, better get away if you don't wanna stay. I don't wanna see ya, I don't wanna see ya. Take my breath away, feeling lost today. I don't wanna see ya, I don't wanna see ya. I can't let go, yeah, but these days I just don't know what to do. Tell me that you're coming back, you're all that I have. Tell me that you're thinking about me too.
In my camera it's all yo, bitch, you wanna call, ignore,
Ito yun.
if it's not about you, cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall, the memories we call,
No,
if it's not
cause it's not
about you,
about
cause it's not about you.
In my camera raw. Yeah,
Hey.
you wanna call, ignore.
Hey.
It's not about you. Cause it's not about you. Our photos on the wall. The memories we call. No, if it's not
not
about
about.
you. Cause it's not about you. Yeah.
Let's go, man. That is a fucking pop, no? I mean, siguro hindi siya cup of tea ng karamihan, no? Pero, I mean, gising yung inner 2005 to like 2009 self ko, no? And sobrang enjoy ko yun. I mean, isa to sa mga paborito kong kanta na, no? I mean, hindi ko na kailangan actually sabihin, no? Pero gusto ko lang malaman yun na isa to sa favorite kong kanta. Hindi ko yung na-expect na magugustuhan ko to, no? I mean, I don't know. Ayoko na kasing pakitin yung ranking natin eh. Kasi Lust and Greed is fucking too good for me. Pero iba kasi yung hit nito sa akin eh. Like, kung meron tayong maglalagay tayo ng 10 tao dyan, most probably 6 of them pipiliin yung Lust or Greed kaysa dito, no? In general, no? Kasi maganda naman talaga. Pero pag cup of tea mo yung ganitong klaseng kanta, no? Lalo na kung merong attachment sa'yo ng, no? Teenager ka or bata ka pa, sobrang ma-appreciate mo at may enjoy mo yung kanta. Pero yeah, I mean, ayoko siyang ilagay sa ranking, no? Pero isa sa paborito kong kanta dito. But we have our last track. Andito ba kayo, guys? Comment down below kung andito pa kayo, anong oras na. I-timestamp nyo yung line na magsisimula tayo, no? Dito sa ating last fucking track, no? That's Ache. Sobrang dami sa inyo excited na mainig tayo dito. Pero sobrang dami din nagkasabi sa inyo na ihuli natin to, no? So yeah, I mean, sa kaganyan yun, lalo akong na-excite na pakinggan to. So we're here, actually, no? Di ako mapaniwala nandito na tayo. Again, comment down below kung andito ka pa rin, kapatid. Kung wala ka na or tulog ka na, I mean, pwede mong balikan, no? Pwede mong balikan. Pwede mong isave tong video na to. Pwede mong balikan. And by the way, no? Para lang to sa mga, natira talaga hanggang this very moment, no? Sa pinakahuling song ng album ni Philip. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na maraming salamat, no? Kasi I feel like kung di dahil sa inyo, hindi tayo makaka 10K, men. Let's fucking go, no? Happy 10K subscriber to me and to you guys as well, no? Sana dumami pa tayo. And maraming salamat sa suporta, no? But yeah, I mean, huwag natin patagalin, no? Sabi ko nga, hindi na ako magkakape. Sobrang, alam mo yun, acid. Didighay ako, pero let's fucking go, no? I'm just excited right now. I actually expected na maging katigil dito.
Moonlight, get me in the dark, the blue sky. Call me like the blue sky. The words not enough, but don't die. It ain't sharp enough like that knife. Nobody can take my light. I pray that you won't leave my side. No words could explain how much I hate no more. Everything I want to take no more. I pain, I bleed, I suffocate no more. But that begin if you will break no more. Always dream high. If I fall, then that's fine. Stand up my head.
I'm getting fucking goosebumps, guys. What the fuck is this? Ulitin natin yun, no? Like yung pag kumanta na yung choir, no? Like, para ka nasa church, no? I feel like I'm in the church right now. Guys. And ayun na nga, no? I mean, ache, based on sa few lines na meron tayo. And at the same time, the vocals. God, fuck, damn it. Sino natin?
Moonlight, get me in the dark, the blue sky. Call me like the blue sky. The words not enough, but don't die. It ain't sharp enough like that knife. Nobody can take my light. I pray that you won't leave my side. No words could explain how much I hate no more. Everything I want to take no more. I pain, I bleed, I suffocate no more. But that begin if you will break no more. Always dream high.
Hey.
That's fine. Stand up my head high. I refuse to die. 'Cause I know in time all my efforts won't lie. Everything will be alright. All my wounds will find light. No words could explain how much I hate.
Yung feelings, no? I mean, sorry, no? Ayokong i-post yung kanta. Lalo na kung ganito kaganda. Pero hindi ko lang mapigilan talaga na sabihin sa inyo na tae na yung feelings na nilabas niya doon na totoong totoo, no? Bakit ganito? Parang lahat na lang nirarhyme ko. Ganto ba talaga? Aganda to sa sobrang ganda. Hindi ko mapigilan tumugma yung mga salita. God fucking damn it, no? Naramdaman niyo yung tawag dito? Yung feeling, sabi niya, ache! Di ba? Para kang nasaktan, no? Ulitin natin yun. I mean, again, ayokong i-post yung kanta. No? Kasi napakaganda niya para i-interrupt ko. No? Parang gusto ko na lang ibigay yung thoughts ko after nung kanta. Pero I'm really sorry. Gusto ko lang mabanggit yun, no? Kung gaano ka feelings doon.
No words could explain how much I hate.
Fuck, man.
No words could explain how much I hate.
God fuck them, man. Yeah. Alright, well, no, that is Ache by Philip. Last track sa album yung Seven Sins. Man, I'm fucking speechless. Now I don't know what to say. You know? Actually, I have a lot to say about the song, but at the same time, I'm fucking speechless. No, hindi ko alam kung paano siya sasabihin sa inyo guys, no? But that is a fucking wonderful song, no? I mean, paano ba simulan? No, I mean sa tema ng kanta. Like, title niya is Ache, di ba? Sakit, yung sakit na nararamdaman mo sa puso mo. Pero at the same time, ayun na nga, this is like a inspirational and motivational din, no? Dahil na sinasabi niya na no one can explain how much I ache, diba? Ganun ako nasasaktan. Sobrang napakaraming bagay, no? Pero at the same time, if you fall, no? Like, get up, like, dream high, no? Tulad nga sa lyrics ng kanta. I mean, hanggat buhay ka pa, meron pang chance, no? And, I mean, isa sa mga gusto kong part ng kanta doon is yung last part na parang may mga bata na parang choir na bata, no? Kasi parang nagbibigay siya ng reminder sa'yo na alam mo yun, na kung paano gaano competitive or nung nagsisimula ka palang mangarap, right? Na parang akala mo kaya mong abutin lahat kasi napaka inosente, no? Hindi mo pa naranasan yung mga gantong masakit na bagay. So, pure positive ka lang. And then, i-contrast natin yung sa kung ano ka ngayon, di ba? Na ang dami mong pinagdaanan, no? Nasaktan ka, pero you still have that positivity and attitude, no? Sobrang will give you chills, no? And, I mean, napakagandang ender ng album, no? So, totoo lang, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, no? Maraming salamat sa lahat na sumama sa akin sa journey, no? Beginning ng album na to, no? I feel like nanood tayo ng isang mahabang movie, no? Lahat ng iba-ibang feelings na naramdaman natin nun, diba? Dumaan tayo sa 7 Sense, and lahat ng pinagdaanan niya, lahat ng kinagagalit niya, no? Binugan niya lahat ng mga na-experience niya, itong mga bagay na to, para sa grand finale na yun, no? Napakaganda ng salamat sa nagbigay sa akin ng sequence. I mean, I feel like hindi ko siya ma-appreciate kung gaano ko siya na-appreciate ngayon kung namili lang ako anong papainggan ko, no? Maraming salamat. So yeah, that is fucking 7 Sense. Alam mo, sayang, no? I mean, dami sa nagsabi sa'yo sana nakapunta ako nung concert. I mean, like, I know it's July 27, right? So, as of now that I'm recording this, tapos na siya. Today is July 29. But I feel like this song, kung kinantay niya to sa kung sa asakali lang kinantay niya to sa, I mean, most probably kasi 7 Sense yung pangalan ng album, right? Ay, ng concert, no? I feel like, mo yun, pag nag-chant yung tao, sobrang nakaka-goosebumps yun, and once in a lifetime kung kasama ka dun sa mga tao na nag-chant, no? That is a fucking journey. But yeah, if we're going to rate the whole album, I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 10. Napakagandang album, no? Sobrang na-enjoy ko yun. Feel like maraming kanta dito na papatugtugin ko pa rin, no? Yeah, I mean, again, salamat sa inyo lahat. And that's a reaction for today, no? Sana gustuhan nyo, no? Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-sabihin yung artist, singer, rapper, songman, comment down below. We are going to react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on the next vid. Stay awesome. Peace. See you guys.